All my life was a paper, once plain, pure and white, till you move it, your pen, changing moods now and then, till the balance is right. Then you added some music, every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on my face. And you decorated my life, created